If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. How many of you do not like tangy chaat? I am a big fan of chaat items, and when you are fasting, you are devoid of this. But why not make a chaat that can be relished during your fast? No potatoes used in this chaat. It's full of high quality protein, fiber and taste. Those who are following a keto diet can also enjoy this chaat.
Please note the ingredients needed to make this special keto Vrat chaat. List is also given in description below and some other recipes for you to check. First of all, chop tomato or tomato, cilantro or hara dhania, green chillies or hari mirch, and make thin slices of paneer. Here, heat clarified butter or desi ghee in a frying pan. Add in cumin seeds or zira and let the cumin seeds splutter well. Then add in paneer pieces, a single layer please, and the heat is medium high. Meanwhile, the paneer gets fried. Let's make a paste of tomato, cilantro, green chillies, some salt and little bit of water to make a smooth paste. And here put some salt over the paneer pieces as well and flip the pieces the first time, and remember the heat is medium high. Now let the paneer pieces get fried from the other side and flip the second time. Flip it the third time, but everything on medium high heat. So when the paneer pieces look like this, add in the cilantro tomato chili paste, little bit of water, about 1/3 cup, and mix well. At this point of time, turn off the heat because your delicious paneer chaat is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot as is. It's a great treat for those who are fasting or not fasting. My keto friends are going to thank me for this special recipe. Enjoy it anytime. Thanks for watching.